Hi everyone. Thank you, Sachin. Myself Nonihal, and I represent a company Strand Salons Private Limited. Geographically, we are operating in 9 states, and it gives me immense pleasure to be part of the people who has been a true inspiration for long. Dr. Blossom, Mr. Javed, Mr. Sandeep, and CKR always. So, and I really thank Ritu and Ashita and Franchisee India to make a part of this show. And coming back to the session where we are talking about the changing face of beauty, wherein franchising has taken a very big role into it. And I just want to take you guys back 15 years back when salon industry started emerging, and there was no organized salons where people were going to their near shop market for a fixed barber from where whole the family has been going since long. So industry started evolving 15 years back. So wherein a lot of people who are sitting in this room have been a part of it and pioneer in developing the industry. And that was the time when I understood this industry and thought we can be part of it. And we started the business with a mindset that we have to have a chain. And one of my very well-learned guy who is a big man in this industry, he told me, "आप पहले एक salon चला के दिखाओ." So that was the thing which was, that line give me a process that why he has said this. So all the people in the panel have answered those questions very clearly, that this is an industry which is based on education. This is an industry which is based on quality service. This is an industry which is based on very true hospitality. If all these good experiences have been given to a client, so client is definitely going to come back. Now, over the period of time, as Ritu said in the morning, that now this market has taken a big leap. 42% of this industry is being controlled by salons, and people have grown a lot. The biggest need as of now is consolidation. So how do we consolidate our business so that everybody who is partnering with us, that grows with us? That is the most important thing, which is very important. A lot of good things I have learned since morning in this session, but I think I left with something which I can add on. When we start franchising, I think Mr. CKR and Javed will truly endorse those things, that when we expand, that is one thing which is very important to keep everything intact is system. If you are able to create a system, then you can manage a team of 10,000 salons, you can manage a team of 10,000 employees, and that is something which truly binds everybody together. The most important criteria to run a franchisee system has to be system in place, wherein we are talking about HR system, we are talking about logistics, we are talking about benefits to the franchisee, we are talking about same quality of service across over the India. The way Javed endorsed, when he goes to Chennai, he talks about the education which is meant to be given there. So when you are coming back to Punjab, you have to talk about what that client needs. Same way, when you are franchising geographically in a cosmopolitan country like India, where you have n number of people with n number of demands, the idea is to provide quality service at every city wherein people get the experience of a metro in a smaller town. I'll just share an example. We do service in business in Chhattisgarh. In a town like Korba, which is a very smaller town, people are most of the people, young generation there, they study in Bombay. So we have a lot of feedbacks, people coming back that we are giving a quality service there, which they get in Bombay. So that has been possible just because of 2-3 things, that we are able to provide a good education, we are able to provide a good ambience, but at the same time, we were able to maintain that quality in all over the salons with a system in place. That is where I come back to the main point of the agenda today, that how do we expand in franchising and how do we retain the franchisee. When a person comes with you for a franchising, he definitely is looking for a good return on his investment. And definitely when we look at the guy as a time invested. So good time invested has to be a good return. The point is that when all the back office systems are put in place in a very nice way, so your partner guy who is coming down to tie up with you will definitely trust you. Over the period of time, in last 5 years, I have seen where the mushrooming has happened in a big way in this industry. Everybody has found this business very, glamorous, found it very productive. A lot of new entrepreneurs have entered into this industry, but not getting the basics right, which are the education and the hospitality thing, they were not able to perform. So over the period of time, what I have learned in last 10 years, now we have seen that there is an immense potential with the people who have started the salon business 4 years back, 5 years back, but have still not tasted the right fruit of that. So keeping that thing in mind, we have rolled out a thing that wherein we are going to people, then telling them that good education and good system in place, they can multiply the revenue, which gives them a better profit, and that is where they will have a more confidence on the brand. Nowadays, when industry is developing on a very fast pace, packaging is making a big difference. Like CKR mentioned in the morning, what we lack. India is a country where, if I talk about in Desi language, nais and darji, those were two words which have been used over the period of time that India produced one of best of them. When it comes to darji, now the things are known as fashion designing. But still the time is yet to come wherein a hairdresser gets same kind of a, respect, same kind, the people, the families would, have same kind of thought process that my children should go into hairdressing line. That is where this forum is, I think, helping on a big way, that good education will goes on, people will join in more industry. And when we go back to our franchising people, we can give them a better manpower, better educated people. Morning, my colleagues were discussing about, something like a good counseling to the client. That will always happen when we have a quality manpower in place. So going into franchising, if we are able to back up the franchisee partner with good quality manpower, with good quality bargain in terms of brand we buy. So we keep a special, kind of eye on this, that all the franchisee partners who ties up with us, they get the best of industry in terms of discounts also. They get best of education in terms of hair, beauty, nail, and end of the day, best of the profits. So to conclude, I just wanted to say that, if we have to be a good profitable salon, it has to be a combination of education, hospitality, and of course, system. Only then all the people will deliver the same quality of service across the board. So your client will be happy, although we don't need much of client to put a profit. We need a good client, good service to enhance the client. So franchising is something wherein we put a proper system in place, and then we'll be able to retain our franchisee, and he'll be able to have a good fleet with you, and he'll be with you only. Thank you very much.